Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Akram Fatihah binti Ibrahimi. Today I will present about forecasting tool and technique and making assumption. Forecasting is the process of making assumption or prediction about future events or conditions by analyzing past and present data, trends and patterns. Forecasting is a complex activity because of factors such as technological innovation, culture changes, stronger competitors, and unstable economic conditions. No forecast is perfect. Some are even incorrect, like 90% or 50% or 40% is not incorrect. It is none 100%. This fact acts the need for strategists to devote sufficient time and effort to study and underlying basis for published forecasts and to develop internal forecasts of their own. Method of forecasting has two. Number one is qualitative forecasting. Relies on expert opinion, intuition, and subjective judgment when historical data is limited or unreliable. Number two is quantitative forecasting. Use mathematical models, statistical methods, and historical data analysis. Making assumption. Planning would be impossible without assumption. Making assumption refer to estimating the potential impact of external factors that are beyond a company control but could significantly affect business performance. This assumption help managers plan and make informed strategic decisions despite uncertainties. Why guesses should never be made in formulating strategies, but reasonable assumption based on available information must always be made. The importance of making assumption. Guiding strategic planning. Assumption provide a foundation for decision making by predicting economic, technological, regulatory, and market conditions. Evaluating strategies. Assumption as benchmark. If actually condition difference, corrective action can be taken. That's all from me. Thank you.